Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. So, do you want to learn how to do your own easy gel manicure at home? Yes, I know you do. Since COVID, nail salons are closed, you don't want to go. It's really not that hard. First, I'm going to show you though how to properly file your natural nails. Now, number one is you're going to want to use the proper grit of nail file. The grit is the number you saw on the packaging. The grit of this one is 240. So the higher the number, the finer the grit is going to be. The lower the number, the grittier the file is going to be. It's just that it's the same as sandpaper. For natural nails, you're going to want to use a grit of 230 and higher. Okay, this is a 240 grit file. It is perfect for natural nails. Anything lower than that would be for artificial nails. And then next, for natural nails, you only want to file your nails in one direction, and from the outside towards the center is best. If you go back and forth, that causes you to fray the edges of your nails, and that's where you get the peeling and the cracking. So you'll notice that I'm only moving my file in one direction. Okay, so here are all my nails filed into this cute little round shape. I had to do that because of my thumb. I had overfiled the side of it, so I really had no choice but to do this shape. So next you're going to push back your cuticles. I use my metal cuticle pusher. You can just use a wooden cuticle pusher, or if you have nails, you can just use your nails on the other hand to push your cuticles back. You don't need all these fancy tools. So now I'm using the other end of my cuticle pusher to gently scrape away any excess cuticle that has been stuck onto my nail plate. This is one of the most important steps of your prep, because if you leave any of that skin on your nail plate, that is where you will get the lifting around your cuticle. So this is a very, very important step. Now, I just want to say here, I am not applying very much pressure. I'm not scratching my nail. I am just getting up all that extra skin, and you can see once I zoomed in here how much there is. Like, if you were to just look at my nail, you wouldn't see this, but once you start gently scraping it away, you can definitely see how much of that cuticle does get left stuck on to the nail plate. So this is a very, very important step for your prep. So once you're finished that, you're going to want to clean up your nail plate with some nail cleanser or isopropyl alcohol. I actually just have 99% isopropyl alcohol in this bottle because I did run out of the nail cleanser, and I'm just reusing the same bottle for alcohol. So this is just alcohol. It's not nail cleanser. I prefer alcohol because nail cleansers actually have sometimes like vitamin E oil and that in them to nourish your nail, and you don't want to be putting any oil on top of your nail plate before applying any sort of gel. So I would actually suggest using 100, or not 100%, but 90, the highest percentage, which is 99.9 of isopropyl alcohol. So now I am using my file to go around my cuticle to etch around the cuticle and get up any excess cuticle that I did not get with my little scraper there. Now, I am not going to be etching my entire nail plate because I don't want this manicure to stay on that long. I like to switch up my nails quite often, and therefore I like to have easy removal. So I'm only going to be etching around the edges of my cuticles where you get most of your lifting. I'm not going to be etching my entire nail plate. However, if you do want to get 2 to 3 weeks wear, you're going to want to go over your entire nail plate to rough up the surface and remove any shine. Once again, I'm now using the alcohol to clean up all of the dust that accumulated while I was etching around my nail plate. You definitely don't want any dust left on your nails, or else you're going to end up getting that either into your polish or cured onto your nail plate, and it's going to look all bumpy and gross. So we are using Madam Glam, and of course you're going to be starting off with your base coat, and you are going to just want to apply a nice thin layer of base coat from the cuticle to the free edge of all of your nails, and then cure. Now I do like to actually only do 4 of my nails first, and then I do my thumb last, just because I find that way they fit better into the lamp to get a proper cure. Because I'm actually going to be using the cute little Madam Glam mini lamp, which is surprisingly extremely strong, the light. And yeah, because of the small size of it, it is best to just do your 4 fingers first and then your thumb last. So this is the cute little light, which you can see there, the size of it. So of course we'll be using Madam Glam gel polish, and this color is Cashmere Gray, which is a beautiful light gray neutral polish. It is absolutely perfect for fall and winter, and it really just goes with everything. And what I absolutely love about the Madam Glam polishes is their consistency. It is almost impossible to flood your cuticles with these polishes, and I absolutely love them for that. They're perfect for beginners in that aspect. And another thing that I noticed is that they smell like bubblegum. I thought that I was losing my mind, but when I then emailed the rep that sent these to me and I had asked, I said, now, is it just me or do these smell like bubblegum? She kind of replied, laughing, saying, no, you're not going insane. They do indeed have a bubblegum scent to them. I also want to mention that these polishes are vegan and HEMA-free. Now, I have to mention how important HEMA-free is, because when someone has an allergic reaction to gel polish, it is most likely a reaction to HEMA. Not always, but most likely it is HEMA that will be causing that reaction. So for anyone that has allergies or has found they've had previous allergic reactions to gel polishes, you may find that this one works for you and you will not react. I'm not saying 100% you won't react, but there is a good chance that you will not have an allergic reaction to a polish that does not have HEMA in it. I also want to add that just because a polish does have HEMA in it does not necessarily mean that it is bad. Some of my favorite brands have HEMA in their polish, so I don't want to discourage anyone from buying a gel polish just because it has HEMA. Okay, not everyone is going to have an allergic reaction. This is just for people who do find they have allergic reactions to gel. It may be the HEMA. That is all I'm saying. It really is best to just do your own research on the topic. I love the Nail Hub. Her YouTube channel is amazing for teaching you about these types of things. So I do advise to check out her YouTube channel. Okay, so 2 coats and it looks like we're good. You gotta love a 2-coat full cover gel polish. Yeah, doing a 3rd coat to me is like the most annoying thing ever. So 2 coats, full coverage, perfect. I removed any of the gel that I got on my skin before I cured, if you saw me doing that there. And then now we're putting on the top coat. Now, this is a wipeable top coat, which means that it does have a dispersion layer. So that means that after you've finished curing, when you pull your hands out of the light, they are going to feel sticky. Now, that does not mean that they haven't fully cured. It just means that you have to wipe off that dispersion layer. So you can use the nail cleanser at this point because your manicure is finished. Or once again, you can use your isopropyl alcohol, or you can actually also use nail polish remover or acetone as long as you're not soaking your hands in it. You can use that to wipe the dispersion layer off. And I did flood my cuticle here slightly, so I'm using an orange wood stick to just remove the gel out of my cuticle before I cure. And then here I am wiping off the dispersion layer with the alcohol. And you are going to want to wipe away from your cuticle. Do not wipe that dispersion layer into your cuticle, okay? Wipe it away from the cuticle. So there is our finished gel manicure. Now, if you want to try out the Madam Glam gel polishes, you can use my code to get 40% off, which is BeckyTK40. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.